Have you spent time with your parents this summer and left the visit feeling uneasy? Everything may have sounded normal during your regular phone calls. Your parents said the bills were paid, the medication was handled, and daily life was going well. Once you're inside the home, you noticed a different picture. Unopened mail was piled up. A bill had gone past due. Food had expired in the refrigerator. Medication bottles were mixed together or appointments had been missed. You may also notice your parent repeating the same question, becoming confused during a familiar conversation, or struggling to explain where money had gone. Seeing these changes in person can be hard. You care about your parents and you don't want to overreact. At the same time, you cannot ignore signs showing daily life has become harder to manage. An occasional forgotten name or misplaced set of keys does not automatically mean a parent needs legal help. Concern grows where the changes begin affecting safety, health, money, or important decisions. Your parents could be missing payments, sending money to strangers, forgetting medical appointments, or leaving appliances running. They could also be having trouble bathing, preparing meals, or understanding instructions from a doctor. A pattern like this deserves attention. Many adult children respond by trying to handle everything themselves. They call the bank, contact doctors, pay bills, and begin arranging care. Then they run into a roadblock. Being someone's child does not automatically give you legal authority to manage their money or make decisions for them. You could be the family member who checks in every day. You could know more about their health and routines than anyone else. Banks, medical providers, insurance companies, and other organizations still need proof of legal authority before sharing information or accepting decisions from another person. Your first step should be finding out whether your parent already signed legal documents. Look for a power of attorney, healthcare directive, health proxy, trust, or other estate planning paperwork. Ask whether your parent worked with an attorney in the past and check whether the person named in the document is still able and willing to help. A valid power of attorney can give someone authority to handle certain financial matters. A healthcare document can give someone authority to help with medical decisions. The situation becomes difficult when your parents never sign the documents or can no longer understand what they mean. Your parent must understand the decision before signing a power of attorney. Once their condition has progressed beyond that point, a family member cannot create the document for them. Guardianship, conservatorship, or both could become part of the conversation. People often use those words as though they mean the same thing, but each one covers a different type of responsibility. The court can appoint a guardian to help with personal care and daily decisions. Depending on the court order, the guardian can help with medical care, housing, safety, and other personal needs. The conservator handles financial matters. This person can manage money, pay bills, protect property, oversee income, and keep records of financial activity. Some families need help with personal decisions. Others need help with finances. In certain situations, both are needed. Guardianships and conservatorships require a court process. A family member does not receive authority simply because everyone agrees on who should handle things. The court reviews the situation and considers whether your parents can continue making certain decisions safely. The process also gives your parents legal protection and a voice in what happens. Families often delay speaking with an attorney because the conversation feels uncomfortable. Your parents could become angry or insist everything is fine. Brothers and sisters could disagree about what should happen. One person could feel as though they are carrying all the responsibility while everyone else stands back. Waiting can create even more stress when bills remain unpaid, property becomes vulnerable, or medical decisions need to be made quickly. Speaking with an attorney does not mean your family has already decided to pursue guardianship or conservatorship. A consultation gives you a place to explain what you have noticed, review any documents already in place, and understand which legal steps fit with your family situation. During the consultation, we will ask about your loved one's health, finances, daily needs, living arrangements, and ability to make decisions. We will also discuss whether anyone already has legal authority through a power of attorney or another document. Bringing any paperwork connected to your concerns when possible, even planning documents, medical information, unpaid bills, bank notices, or records of unused transactions can help explain what has been happening. Writing down specific examples can also help. Saying your parent seems forgetful gives us a starting point. Explaining how the electricity was almost disconnected, the same bill was paid 3 times, or money was sent to a stranger gives us a fuller picture. These conversations can feel emotional, especially when your parent has always been independent. The goal is to understand what support is needed while protecting your loved one's right and dignity. You do not have to wait for a medical emergency or serious financial loss before asking questions. I'm Kim Clenny. My law partner, Deborah Palmer, and I help families across Alabama understand guardianship and conservatorship and decide which legal steps fit their circumstances. Schedule your guardianship and conservatorship consultation today.